A well-structured onboarding process can make all the difference in making your new hires feel welcome, supported, and ready to succeed. An onboarding process can take many shapes and forms, especially for remote teams. There is not an all-size-fits-all solution. However, with some tips from this video, you can make it a perfect fit for your company. There are 3 stages to onboarding: pre-boarding, onboarding, and post-onboarding process. Making sure you're ready for all 3 stages ensures that your new hires are ready to face their job. Once you decide which candidate to choose and they accept the offer, pre-boarding begins. At this stage, you should prepare everything for the new hires. Here are some things you can do to ensure smooth onboarding. Send them a warm welcome message. This could include a welcome letter, including essential information about the first day. Let them know you're excited for their arrival. Prepare the paperwork. Send all necessary forms, tax documents, benefit enrollments to be completed before their first day. Set up their accounts. Ensure that all email, software accounts, and IT equipment are set up and ready for the new hire. Now let's talk about the first day. At this stage, new hires are going through onboarding. If your employee is physically coming to the office, give them a warm welcome. Greet the new hires personally and introduce them to your team. Another step for the day should be the office tour. Including key areas like restrooms, break rooms, and emergency exits is important. Make sure their workstation is fully set up with all necessary equipment, supplies, and even a welcome note. If you're hiring an employee working remotely, you can make them feel welcomed by following these steps. Schedule an online meeting to personally greet the new hires and introduce them to the team members. This helps to create a sense of belonging and familiarity despite the physical distance. During the call, you can walk the new hire through company policies, procedures, and culture. Ensure that the new hire's home office is fully equipped with all necessary tools and equipment. This may include sending them a laptop, headset, chair, and other essentials. Orientation is crucial for setting the stage both for remote and in-office employees. It is important to arrange a workshop or presentation where the company's mission, vision, values, and culture are presented. Make sure to go over the job description, key responsibilities, and performance expectations. One way to know if the onboarding process is going well is to have new hires fill out an onboarding survey. You can either have the survey embedded onto your website or send it out to your new hires using the link. The last stage of onboarding is post-onboarding. This is when you take into practice regularly getting feedback from your new employees and analyzing the onboarding process to see what can be improved. One good practice is to use pulse survey. These are short surveys that give frequent feedback on things you decide are important. Make sure to watch the video linked at the top right to learn more about the pulse surveys. And here you have it. This is how you can make your onboarding process engaging. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Formaloo's channel for more tips, and I'll see you next time. Happy formalooing!